Peppa Pig, Grandpa Pig's Little Train. Peppa and George are visiting Granny and Grandpa Pig.
Hooray!
What's that noise?
Asked Peppa. Grandpa's making a little toy train, says Grandpa Pig.
Wow!
He is not a toy, says Grandpa Pig. This is Gertrude. He's a miniature locomotive. Doesn't it need railway tracks to run on? Asked Granny Pig. I fitted Gertrude with car wheels, so she can go anywhere she likes, says Grandpa Pig.
Please, can we ride on Gertrude, Grandpa?
Says Peppa. Of course, says Grandpa. Hop aboard, children. Peppa and George love Grandpa Pig's little train.
Grandpa's little train goes toot 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 toot. Grandpa's little train goes toot 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 all day long. And the piggies on the train going oink 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 all day long.
Says Peppa. They spot Granny and Grandad Dog ahead. I see you're playing toy trains, called Grandad Dog. Gertrude isn't a toy, shouts Grandpa Pig. How's your little lorry? My breakdance is a proper work vehicle, says Grandad Dog.
Grandpa Pig, please can I ride on the train?
Asked Danny. Of course, Danny, says Grandpa Pig. Hop aboard. Miss Rabbit is driving the school bus. Hello, Peppa, all of Peppa's friends cry. Everyone wants to ride on Grandpa Pig's train.
Wow!
Can we ride on the train?
That's Zoe Zebra. Of course, Zoe, says Grandpa Pig. Hop aboard.
Hooray!
Miss Rabbit decides to follow along behind. Peppa and her friends all sing together.
Grandpa's little train goes toot 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 all day long.
Peppa points to a big muddy puddle in front of them.
Look at all that mud,
She cries.
we don't want to get stuck. Maybe we should go in a different way.
Asks Miss Rabbit. Oh, it's only a patch of mud. Come on, Gertrude, you can make it, says Grandpa Pig.
Come on, Bus, you can make it.
Says Miss Rabbit. Don't bother, says Miss Rabbit. The bus is stuck in the mud. Oh no! Grandad Dog appears.
Can you rescue me, Grandad Dog?
Asks Miss Rabbit. Oh, of course, my truck is strong enough, says Grandad Dog. But it does not work. We need a vehicle with more power, says Grandad Dog. Can I help, Miss Rabbit? Asks Grandpa Pig.
Yes, please. Your train can tow me out of the mud,
Says Miss Rabbit. Grandpa Pig attaches a tow rope between Gertrude and Miss Rabbit's bus.
Wow!
Full steam! Shouts Grandpa Pig. Come on, Gertrude! Shouts Grandpa Pig.
Come on, Gertrude.
Shout the children. Gertrude pulls Miss Rabbit's bus out of the mud. Hooray! Everyone shouts.
It's amazing what can be done with a toy train,
Says Miss Rabbit. Gertrude isn't a toy, says Grandpa Pig.
Gertrude is the very best train in the whole world, says Peppa.
The end. Peppa Pig, the official Annual 2023. Story time. Molly Mole. Peppa and her friends are at Good morning, children, says Madame Gazelle. Today we have a new pupil.
Hello,
Says the girl standing next to Madame Gazelle.
I'm Molly Mole.
Hello, Molly, everyone replies. Madame Gazelle asks Peppa and Rebecca to look after Molly. Playtime. Peppa and Rebecca show Molly the sandpit.
Have you ever played in a sandpit, Molly?
Asks Peppa.
It's good for building sandcastles
Adds Rebecca.
and digging. Do you mean like this?
Asks Molly. He digs a hole in the ground. Wow! Say Peppa and Rebecca. Molly disappears down into the hole. Molly pops her head up on the other side of the sandpit.
Wow.
You're amazing at digging, Molly,
Says Peppa.
I'm a mole.
Replies Molly.
Moles are very good diggers.
Peppa, Rebecca and Molly laugh. The bell rings and it's time to go home. Mummy Rabbit comes to collect Rebecca. Then Molly's mummy arrives.
Hooray!
Can my new friend Peppa come to our house to play?
Says Molly.
If it's okay with her daddy.
Says Mummy Mole. Of course, says Daddy Pig. I'll pick you up later, Peppa. Peppa rides in Molly's car to her house. He is very excited, and so is Molly. They giggle all the way.
This is my house.
Says Molly when they arrive at the hill.
Wow.
Peppa is confused.
But this is Rebecca's house.
She says.
Hello.
Says Rebecca, waving from the top of the hill.
We've moved in underneath Rebecca's house.
Explains Molly. Molly and Mummy Mole take Peppa through a little round hole at the bottom of the hill. Molly and her family live deep underground,
Wow.
The house isn't finished yet.
says Molly.
My mummy and daddy are still building it.
Wow.
Daddy Mole is in Molly's room when they arrive,
This is my new friend Peppa.
says Molly.
Hello.
Says Peppa. Delighted to meet you, he replies. After a while, Daddy Pig arrives to pick up Peppa.
Come inside.
Says Mummy Mole.
Excuse the mess. We're building an extension.
It takes lots of people to build an extension, says Daddy Pig.
Actually, Daddy Mole and I are just building it ourselves.
Says Mummy Mole. The good thing about digging your own house is that you do what you want, where you want, says Daddy Mole. You can even put a door here. Daddy Mole, it's a hole in the ceiling. His head pops up through it. Oh, hello, says Daddy Rabbit. Doorway in the floor. What a good idea. Daddy Mole climbs back down his ladder,
It's great having a hole between our houses.
says Rebecca.
Now you can come round and play with me anytime you want, Molly.
Hooray!
And you can come and play with me anytime you want.
Says Molly. Molly and Rebecca love being neighbours. The end. Peppa Pig, the rainy day. It is a very rainy day.
I don't like the rain,
Says Peppa, sighing.
Can't go out and play.
Just have to stay inside until it brightens up, says Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig has an idea. I know, he says. Let's play the rainy day game.
What's that?
Asks Peppa. I'll hide this rubber duck somewhere, and you have to find it, explains Daddy Pig. It's George's turn to look for the rubber duck first. Daddy Pig hides it in Peppa and George's bedroom, says George, searching through all the toys. George hasn't found the rubber duck yet, but he's close.
Wow.
He says, looking on the floor by the bookshelf. You're getting warmer, shouts Daddy Pig. George turns around and points to the rubber duck sitting on top of the bookshelf. It was right behind him the whole time. He giggles. Hooray! Everyone shouts. Well done, George, says Daddy Pig. It was high up on your bookshelf.
My turn,
Says Peppa.
I'm good at finding things. I'm sure I'll spot it straight away.
Mummy Pig hides the rubber duck in the kitchen.
Wow.
Peppa checks the sink and under the table.
I can't find it. Would I have a clue, please?
He asks. It's sitting with something else that's yellow, says Mummy Pig.
What else is yellow in the kitchen? Bananas!
Shouts Peppa, pointing to the fruit bowl.
Found you, rubber ducky.
Peppa and George want to play the rainy day game again. They hunt for the rubber duck in the living room,
We've looked everywhere and we can't find it.
says Peppa. Would you like a clue? Says Mummy Pig. It's sitting on someone very tall,
It's on your head, Daddy.
says Peppa, pointing. George giggles. Now it has stopped raining,
We can play outside.
cries Peppa. Who wants to jump up and down in muddy puddles? Asks Daddy Pig. Everyone cheers. Race you there, shouts Daddy Pig. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.